Out here in Cache Creek, the sun is one of the community's most reliable resources. More and more communities like this are looking for ways to turn that sunlight into something practical and building for the future. Hi, I'm Lee McKinnon with Riverside Energy Systems. We've been working with the village of Cache Creek to bring solar energy to the community, and it's projects like this that really show what solar can do at a local level. Across 3 buildings, we installed systems designed to reduce operating costs and increase energy independence for the village of Cache Creek. Here at the village office, we installed 14-panel system that covers over 70% of the building's consumption. Here at the community hall, they receive 52 solar panels, offsetting about 45% of its energy use. And here at the fire hall, a 20-panel system is offsetting around 120% of the building's electricity needs, meaning it's actually producing more power than it uses.
I'm Damien Kacher. I'm the Chief Administrative Officer for the Village of Cache Creek. We decided to go solar. We were looking at a few different options. A big thing for us is we're trying to be more net zero as a community, as a whole, and a big thing for us is trying to convert some existing systems to solar to offset carbon emissions, but also to offset impact to the tax base. It was great to be able to see some incentives for municipalities to offset some of the costs of this. Switching to solar isn't inexpensive, so seeing funding for municipalities to be able to make that change is huge for us. It made the difference of being able to look to almost offset some of our structures as opposed to just putting in small systems. We really like working with Riverside. A big thing was communication. Anytime that we had a question, Lee and the team were super involved. They were answering stuff immediately. The team was very impressed. Things were quick, straightforward, little to no impact to operations. The few times that there had to be impact to operations, communication was great. We have a community gym. That was really the only thing that was impacted. It was as simple as, hey, we're going to be doing this work this day. What time works for you? Can we work around it? That sort of thing. So communication was always key through the whole process. Communication is huge for us. When picking any partner, it's not just about the bottom dollar, it's about figuring out the best way to communicate what your actual need is and getting the project through to completion. And we found that with Riverside, there was so much communication through the process. They were really understanding of our needs, so it was great to work with them.
That's what it's all about for us, working with communities to build smarter, more sustainable energy solutions. Whether it's a full municipality project like this or something smaller for your home or business, we're here to help.